Hello Internet. Just an update on the DR650 that I rode to Tuktoyaktuk from Tofino. Update on the front end there. I had to get the seals done on the front end because I blew one just coming out of Inuvik. I rode the remainder of that ride, which was probably about 2,500 kilometers with that seal gone, but it handled not too bad on the highway. And of course I couldn't get it fixed on the trip, so I waited until I got back down south and had it done up. I had some additional upgraded springs put in it, and it stiffened it up considerably. It's quite nice. I also added this brace, which again helped to eliminate any sort of shimmy. You'll notice that I've removed the highway pegs that I had on it. Actually, I removed them because I got hit by a gale force wind just past the Arctic Circle that put me in the ditch, and I busted it. So I was able to buckshee something up until I got home, and then I just pulled it all off. I'll probably replace it if I'm going to be doing another major ride, which I will be, but not until January, February, and not on this bike. The other update I've done here is during the trip I had a broken bolt, this support here, and one of the items that I had a hard time finding was this bolt, which is the original metric hex. And so but I was able to, after a while, to pick up a couple. I replaced both sides, that one there and this one over here. So now I have an extra just in case. But they're really sturdy. Really like these. I believe they're part of the Happy Trails hard case set that I have, and they work really well. The other changes I'm looking at making on this one is I'm going to be taking off the pressure test or monitoring system there. Really wasn't much of value. It doesn't really go low enough for this type of bike. I mean, if you air down in the mud and whatever, the alarm always goes off. So I think I'm going to take that off and put it on my FJR instead. The voltmeter and charging indicator here was really handy. I was able to make sure that I was charging all the time. And again, the Oxford hand warmers, fantastic. Having ridden through enough snow and whatever in those cold days. And that's about it, except for the fact that yeah, I am looking at another ride, but I'm not going to be doing it with this bike. I'm going to be doing it with a Royal Enfield 400cc, the classic, and I'm going to be doing it down in Bolivia. I'll be taking off in mid-January for a ride down in there, and hopefully go well. I'll try and post some of that. Bye for now.